Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I want to do something special, something simple but very fast, which is going to be very interesting either way. I'm going to put some black on a canvas beforehand. I'm going to let it dry, then I'm going to do my negative space. I think it's more interesting this way because then your background doesn't mix with the mixture you put over it. So we'll see what happens. I'm only going to use three colors. I'm going to put only Floetrol and some water, and we'll see what happens. Let's go try it.
One, two, three.
Okay guys, so as I said, it was very fast. I think, well, it was very fast, abstaining the fact that we did put black on our canvas first, but we had to let it dry. And the black I did put, I should add that I didn't put only a small amount of water on my brush to distribute the color black over the canvas, and that's it. So guys, I think it's very interesting. I think we have a nice finish. I could have worked at it a little bit more, but I wanted to stop. I wanted to have a nice effect between what we did and the background, which is black. I think it gives a better finish because it's brighter, you see it more. I think when it's gonna be dry, well, you see it dry, but I don't, I just finished it, but once it's gonna be dry, I think we did put some gold in it. I think the gold, almost every time we put gold in our pouring, the gold, once dry, have a tendency to be more apparent. We see it more. So I think that's what's gonna happen. I hope you enjoy it. Well, I like it. I like the fact that when we do it this way, meaning the background first, then we let it dry, I think the work of our negative space is more refined. We have more refined line on the side, which doesn't mix with the background. So that's why I wanted to do this way, and I think we achieved what we wanted. Doesn't mean that when you do a background and you do your fluid pouring or a flip cup over it, doesn't mean it's not great, but I want to do something different, and I think that way it gives a little bit of a difference between the finish between the both technique. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you want to try it because it's quite easy, of course, and it's not quite messy because I have the tendency to put a lot of acrylic. This time I did work at it, so I did put a lot less, so I think it works out very fine. So like I said, I hope you like it, and like always guys, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.